Hi, my name is Celeste. I'm an American. I'm here in Belgrade at the Swissmedica Clinic. I just finished my second visit to Belgrade to do stem cell therapy here with the Swissmedica, and I am so happy with my results. 2 years ago, I visited for the first time, and at that time I did a bone marrow aspirate to extract my stem cells, and then I had my stem cells infused, and I had really great results. I had a C-peptide of 0.03 when I started 2 years before I did the therapy, which is very low. I had been diagnosed as a type 1 diabetic when I was 5 years old. That was many, many years ago. And so I've been dealing with the blood sugar issues and all those health issues since that time. And I had really great results. So after the first therapy I did, the stem cell therapy, I almost doubled my C-peptides. It went from 0.03 to 0.05. That's measuring how much insulin the body is making on its own. And so I was really thrilled actually about those results. I said, wow, it almost doubled. So if I keep doubling, eventually I can get to normal. Then yesterday, when I was finishing all of my therapies here, this is my second visit, and I did a lot more therapy this time. So I did stem cell therapy from the cord, umbilical cord stem cell. I also had a donor mesenchymal stem cell that was donated from another patient from their bone marrow. And then I did my own bone marrow aspirate, and I also did the adipose. So I've done all those therapies now this time. But when I arrived here for this time, they took my blood and tested me. And so before starting my second round of therapies this time, my C-peptide level was up to 1.15, which is amazing. It's almost like a miracle. This just doesn't happen. You don't find this in the medical literature. People having to have dealt with type 1 diabetes for many, many, many years, getting their C-peptides levels up to normal. 1.0 is normal, and I was up to 1.15 before even starting the therapies again this time. So I am so impressed. I'm so happy, and I had great results. So I had noticed already I reduced my insulin intake and requirement from 22 units of Lantus prior to doing this stem cell therapy 2 years ago, down to 18 units immediately following the stem cell therapy last time. So I had a major reduction in insulin requirement. Also, my hemoglobin A1C was starting at 6.5 before I had done the therapies last time. I'm down to 5.9 now, which is amazing. These are, again, getting into like non-diabetic ranges. And I'm so thrilled. The experience has been really good. The doctors are amazing. I feel blessed, really blessed to have worked with the team at Swissmedica. The doctors are extremely knowledgeable. They're on the cutting edge of regenerative medicine. And I don't think anyone are getting these results anywhere in the world, except for very few patients who have been recently, there's been some research showing that early onset type 1 diabetes, getting stem cell therapy treatments and some immunotherapy treatments immediately following diagnosis of early onset have had results similar to these, and those again are very few. So for me, with a long standing history and getting these incredible results, I'm just now looking forward to see what will happen after this second round of therapies. I'm hoping absolutely for the best, and working on regenerating more beta cells to produce more insulin, and eventually I'm hoping to get off the insulin, of course, as we all dream about, as people who are having blood sugar issues who require insulin. Everyone, of course, would like to achieve that as well. And so let's see what happens in the future. But right now I can say these are outstanding results, up to a 1.15 C-peptide in 2 years after the first single stem cell therapy I did with Swissmedica. And I definitely encourage people who are dealing with the blood sugar issues, who've dealt with diabetes, to seriously consider this therapy. It's working. It's really working. We have proof, and it's very easy to do. There's no pain, and it's amazing results. So thank you.